Jay didn't speak to a single English speaker for 2 years. Then one conversation changed everything.
I almost walked away from him. Twice.
Today, Jay's telling that story. Stay till the end, there's a mistake he still laughs about. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jay.
Normally we teach phrases. Today's different. Jay's sharing how he made his first English-speaking friend.
It's not a pretty story, but it's a true one.
Let's get into it. So set the scene. Where were you?
A coffee shop. I used to sit there for hours just to hear English being spoken around me.
You weren't even talking to anyone?
No. I was too scared. I'd just listen and repeat words in my head.
So what changed?
One day, a guy sat at my table because there was nowhere else to sit. Hey, mind if I sit here? Everywhere else is full. Sure, no problem. Thanks. I'm Leo, by the way. I froze for like 3 seconds before I even said my name.
3 seconds felt like an hour, right?
Exactly. Then I just said it. I'm Jay. Nice to meet you, Jay. You come here a lot? Yeah, almost every day.
Let's pull out what Leo actually said, because it's more useful than people think. Mind if I sit here? Everywhere else is full. I'm, by the way. You come here a lot? These 4 lines alone can open almost any conversation with a stranger. Okay, now tell them about the mistake.
Oh no. Okay. So Leo asked me something simple, and I panicked. So how old are you, Jay? I have 26 years. You have 26 years? I knew immediately something was wrong by his face.
What should you have said?
I am 26 years old. Just, I am, not I have.
Small word, big difference.
Leo actually laughed, but in a nice way. He corrected me right there. We say I am 26, not I have. No worries though, your English is already pretty good. That one sentence, your English is already pretty good, kept me talking to him for 2 more hours.
2 important things here. First, the fix. I am age years old. Not, I have age years. Second, if you're correcting someone, say it kindly. We say it like this instead. No worries, your English is pretty good. That single line can turn an embarrassing moment into a good memory. So how did it go from one conversation to an actual friendship?
He just kept showing up. Same coffee shop, same time. Same table again? Seems like it. You want to grab lunch after this sometime? My treat, since you let me steal your table. Sure, I'd like that.
Did you understand everything he said back then?
Honestly, no. Maybe 70%. But I stopped being scared to say sorry. Can you repeat that? Sorry, could you say that again? Wait, that's my line.
See, even native speakers ask that. It's not weakness, it's normal conversation. Useful lines from this part. You want to grab lunch sometime? My treat. Sorry, could you say that again? Sorry, can you repeat that? Use these without embarrassment. Everyone asks for repeats, in every language. Let's fix a few more mistakes Jay made early on.
Please, expose me further.
Don't say, I have 26 years. Say, I am 26 years old. Don't say, I am agree with you. Say, I agree with you. Don't say, explain me this. Say, explain this to me. Don't say, I am boring today. Say, I am bored today.
I made every single one of those. In the same month.
Cultural tip time. Jay, what surprised you most about making friends in English?
How direct people were. If Leo didn't want to hang out, he'd just say so, no hard feelings.
That's very true. A simple I can't today, but let's do it another time is completely normal, not rude.
Also, small talk about weather or weekend plans isn't boring here, it's actually how friendships start.
So don't skip the small talk. It's the door, not a waste of time. Your turn. Imagine you're Jay, sitting at that coffee shop table. Question 1. Someone asks to sit with you. What do you say? Question 2. They ask your age. Answer correctly out loud. Question 3. You didn't understand what they said. What do you say? Question 4. They invite you to lunch. How do you respond?
If you got through all 4, you just survived my first real English conversation.
So Jay, where's Leo now?
Still my friend. He was actually my roommate for a year after that.
From one awkward table to a roommate. Not bad.
All because I didn't walk away the second time.
If you're scared to start a conversation this week, let this be your sign. Tell us in the comments, what's stopping you from talking to someone new?
See you next episode.